I've been thinking about creating this content because I really want to have myself speak these words. One reason why I really want to really get good at creating content for my personal brand and put so much value into the world through my videos is because, as you can hear those screams, that's from my child, and he's the reason. I want to have content that my son can consume soon. The future would be very different, for sure, especially with AI right now. But I hope that my content, my videos would be also helpful for my son, that he could see it and watch it, learn from it, see the version of his father, in progress. And this channel is honestly mostly about that. Business in progress is more than business. I believe that business builds your life, and when my businesses built my life and the life of my son, I want that principle to also enter his head right. Business is a vessel for you to get a very fulfilling life. And for me, content is a great way to do it because content is a long-term asset. I've posted this on YouTube, and for sure, he will be watching this. Hopefully, he will be binge watching all of these in one day. All of these content I'm trying to create. I don't want to impose that my son should go through an entrepreneurship route. In fact, we're actually encouraging him right now, 7-month-old, to go into musicals. But I want my son to experience the best in life. And for him to experience that, I want him to be exposed with content that is helpful, that is vulnerable, that is honest, that is not like all highlights, that's authentic. And this is what this channel is all about. And yeah, I just want to say that. So if you have children and if you really want to try and start building a better life through becoming a content creator, you might as well use this inspiration or motivation that your content is something that your sons and your daughters will be seeing in the future, and you need to put here your very best, not only for the world but also for your family. So keep building. This is John, and this is Business in Progress.